get the eggs, I get my U. I mix 1 egg with 1 big spoon of mayo, mayonnaise, my whisk. I put it in a shallow kind of crystal plate. A bit of fat, I put oil and butter, I think just a little bit. I put that egg, a mix of mayo and egg. I microwaved it for 30-40 seconds. Oh my God, Joe. The best omelet in the history of mankind.
The best omelet in the history of. That's it. Those are Jose Andres' words, who is from Asturias. Like me, he was born 30 kilometers from where I was born. Definitely a world of delicious things. This recipe has been super viral for a while now, and I hadn't tried it. But you have to do it because it's super easy, and if Jose Andres says it's delicious for sure. I'm gonna discover it with you, so I get to work, which is also done in a minute. So let's pay attention. A splash of oil in a glass utensil. Microwave safe, as our friend Jose Andres said, that would be worth butter. We switch to a bowl, just a bowl, because here we're going to put eggs. Should I make it a little bigger? Bigger than him? I put it in twice. 2 eggs and also 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mayo, as he said. And now we just beat it a little bit until it mixes and forms a kind of uniform liquid. The more airy, the better, but whenever it has combined, that's enough. So just a minute of beating. And in the end, you'll have a liquid like the one you see here. If you don't have rods like these, that's okay. You can do it perfectly with a fork. You pour that liquid into the utensil from the beginning, where we put the oil. Everything goes in. We use every last drop, so don't leave anything behind in this bowl of authentic magic. Alright, it's ready. We take it to the microwave, which we have here, and set it to maximum power. For about 1 minute per egg, more or less. But there's no problem because you just open it, check if it's not runny, and if it is, you add 30 more seconds. It's a lie that with just 2 ingredients, simply stirring and using the microwave, something so delicious comes out. Want to see how it looks? Of course we do. We take them out, and I always use some oven gloves just in case the glass is too hot. And voila, here you have it. You can eat it inside as you want, serve it on a plate, you stir the container, and with that, it's already released. You just turn it over onto a plate and then present it however you want. It's that simple. Look how cool it looks. It looks like an omelet or any tortilla, but when you try it, you'll be amazed. It's amazing that it's so well made, so juicy and so airy, with only 2 ingredients in a minute in the microwave and nothing else. Easy and delicious. Dear Jose Andres, you have to take your hat off because sometimes they really surprise you. A piece of a practical and delicious recipe. And on top of that, you're very hungry. Simply without knowing how to climb. You can make the dish larger with 2, 3, or 4 eggs, depending on your hunger. Oh my god, anyway, you're right, Jose Andres. This is exquisite, easy, quick, spongy with flavor. Without adding anything. Incredible. I don't know if I'll write down the ingredients because, you know, egg, spoon of mayonnaise, nothing else. I hope you liked it, that we made something viral here on the channel and to try it out with you. But if you come up with another recipe, leave it in the comments. Any recipe you've seen that seems interesting, fun, easy, quick, whatever. Anything that catches your attention and you want me to try, let me know. Maybe I'll get inspired and end up with a big surprise like today. This is delicious and easy to make. And do you want more? Look how good that little square looks. Click and enjoy it too.